Hello, good morning students. How are you? I think you are quite well. And yesterday I have studied displacement current, electromagnetic waves, and what what are the characteristics of electromagnetic waves. Today I will discuss a new topic, transverse nature of electromagnetic waves. Transverse nature of electromagnetic waves. It can be shown from the Maxwell equation that electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. It can be shown from the Maxwell equation that electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Hence, we can say electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. It can be shown from the Maxwell equation that electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the wave. Hence, electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. Now, electromagnetic waves are polarized, can easily respond a portable AM. AM here, AM amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation. AM amplitude modulation. Electromagnetic waves are polarized, can easily response of a portable AM amplitude modulation radio to a broadcasting station. If an AM radio has a telescopic antenna, it responds to the electric part of the signal. This shows wave propagation. When the antenna is turned horizontal, the signals will greatly diminished. When antenna is turned horizontal, then signal will greatly diminished. In this diagram, we see permanent curve. This is a permanent curve. This shows, what is permanent curve? Shows electric field. And dotted curve. What does dotted curve represent? Dotted curve represent magnetic field. Electric field, permanent curve represent electric field E. This is E, electric field, and this one is magnetic field. They changes continuously. In electromagnetic waves, electric field and magnetic field are mutually perpendicular to each other. In electromagnetic waves, electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, so they are transverse in nature. They travel with the speed of light in vacuum. They travel with the speed of light in vacuum. What is the speed of light in vacuum? We know 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And what is the relation? C is equal to 1 upon under root mu epsilon. C is equal to 1 upon mu 0 epsilon 0. C is the speed of light. Mu 0 is the permeability of vacuum, and epsilon 0 is the permittivity in free space. Now we know what is the value of mu 0. Mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. And what is epsilon 0? 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. What is the value of mu 0? 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. We can also write Weber per ampere per meter. Weber per ampere per meter. And what is the value of epsilon 0? 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. And what is the speed of light? This is the formula of electromagnetic wave in vacuum. Now, what is the, when we put this value, C is equal to 1 upon under root mu 0, that is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. When we solve this, we get 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in vacuum. Now, speed of light, speed of electromagnetic wave in medium is given by C, speed of electromagnetic wave in medium. V is equal to 1 upon under root mu epsilon. Mu is the permeability of a medium and epsilon is the permittivity of a medium. That is speed of electromagnetic wave in a medium depend on electric and magnetic field properties of the medium. Speed of electromagnetic wave in a medium depends on the electric and magnetic properties of the medium. Now we will discuss what is electromagnetic spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? Our next topic is electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. The orderly arrangement of electromagnetic wave in increasing or decreasing wavelength lambda. The orderly arrangement of electromagnetic wave in increasing or decreasing wavelength lambda or frequency nu. Wavelength lambda and frequency nu. We can, the symbol of nu, this or this. The orderly arrangement of electromagnetic wave in increasing or decreasing wavelength or frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Now we will discuss first gamma rays. Gamma rays. We know about gamma ray were discovered by Rutherford. Who discovered gamma rays? Rutherford. Gamma rays were discovered by Rutherford. They travel with the speed of light and having high penetrating power. Gamma rays are discovered by Rutherford. They travel with the speed of light and having high penetrating power. Frequency range of the gamma ray 3 into 10 power 18 hertz to 5 into 10 power 22 hertz. Frequency range of gamma rays is 3 into 10 power 18 hertz to 5 into 10 power 22 hertz. Frequency range of the gamma rays is 3 into 10 power 18 hertz to 5 into 10 power 22 hertz. Now what is uses of gamma rays? First use of gamma rays used to produce, you can say it is used to produce nuclear reaction. Gamma rays is used to produce nuclear reaction. Second use, used in radiotherapy for the treatment of cancer and tumor. And what is other use? Used in food industry to kill microorganism. Gamma ray is used in food industry to kill microorganism. And next use is sterilizing the medical instrument. Gamma ray is used in sterilizing medical instruments. Now we will discuss X-rays. Second one is X-rays. X-rays. We know who discovered X-rays? W. Rontgen. X-rays was discovered by W. Rontgen. Its frequency ranges from 3 into 10 power 16 hertz to 3 into 10 power 21 hertz. Frequency range of X-rays is 3 into 10 power 16 hertz. Frequency range of the X-ray is 3 into 10 power 16 hertz to 3 into 10 power 22 hertz. 3 into 10 power 21 hertz, you can say 3 into 10 power 21 hertz. Now we have discussed X-ray. X-rays were discovered by W. Rontgen. Frequency range of the X-rays is 3 into 10 power 16 hertz to 3 into 10 power 21 hertz. What is the uses? First use of the X-rays is first used in surgery to detect fractured diseased organs. Used in surgery to detect the fractured diseased organ stones in the body. Second, used in engineering to detect fault. It is used in engineering to detect fault, cracks on the bridges, testing of welds. Now other use of the X-ray used in scientific research. Other use is scientific research. Now we will discuss ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays ultraviolet rays, ultraviolet rays. You know, ultraviolet ray come from the sun about 40 kilometer above from the surface of earth. Ozone layer, you know, it protects ultraviolet rays from coming from the sun. It is present in stratosphere. It is present in stratosphere. First, we will tell you ultraviolet ray. It was discovered by Ritter. Ultraviolet ray was discovered by Ritter. Ultraviolet rays was discovered by Ritter. Sun is the important source of the ultraviolet rays. Frequently, you can say, frequently absorbed by the ozone layer. Its frequency range. What is the frequency range of the ultraviolet ray? 10 power 14 hertz to 10 power 17 hertz. Frequency range. Frequency range of ultraviolet ray. Ultraviolet ray. Frequency range of the ultraviolet ray 10 power 14 hertz to 10 power 17 hertz. 10 power 14 hertz to 10 power 17 hertz. This is the frequency range of the ultraviolet ray. What is the uses of the ultraviolet ray? This is used in detection of invisible writing. Ultraviolet rays is used in detection of invisible writing, forged documents, fingerprints in forensic lab, labs, and preserve food stuff. Ultraviolet also used to preserve food stuff. Now we will discuss infrared rays. Infrared rays. Infrared rays. Any heating substance, any heated substance produce infrared ray. You know it. The which sun rays provide heat to us? You know, infrared ray. Now it was discovered by Herschel. Infrared ray was discovered by Herschel. Infrared ray was discovered by Herschel. These waves are produced due to heat radiating bodies. These waves are produced due to heat radiating bodies and molecules. Its frequency range of the infrared rays 9 into 10 power 11 hertz to, you can say, 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 9 into 10 power 14 hertz. 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 9 into 10 power 14 hertz. Frequency range of infrared ray 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 9 into 10 power 14 hertz. This is the frequency range of the ultraviolet ray. Now what is the uses of ultraviolet ray? Used in solar water heater, solar cells and solar cooker. It is used in solar water heater, solar cell and solar cooker. Now second use of the infrared ray, used for producing dehydrated fruits. Infrared ray is used for producing dehydrated fruits. Third use of the infrared ray, used in the physical therapy. Physical therapy. Now we will discuss microwaves. Microwaves. This is very important wave. Always asked in board exam. Microwave. You know what is difference in cooking food in microwave and on the gas cylinder? In gas cylinder, food heated from bottom to top, but in microwave, food cooked from all sides. Same heat get from all sides. This is the difference between cooking food on the LPG gas cylinder and microwaves. Now first I will tell you, microwave are short wavelength radio waves. Microwave are the short wavelength radio waves which are produced by vacuum tubes. Microwave are short wavelength radio waves which are produced by vacuum tubes. Its frequency range 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. Frequency range of microwave 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. We can also say 10 power 10 hertz to 10 power 12 hertz. 10 power 10 hertz to 10 power 12 hertz. Frequency range of the microwave is 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz, or you can write 10 power 10 hertz to 10 power 12 hertz. Now these are produced where microwaves are produced. These are produced in special vacuum tube like Klystron. And gun diode and magnetrons. Gun diode. Microwaves are produced where we produce microwaves, special vacuum tube like Klystrons, magnetrons and gun diode. Now what is the uses of microwaves? First, used in radar system for aircraft navigation. Used in radar system for aircraft navigation. Can you tell me what is the full form of radar? Radio detection and ranging. This is the full form of the radar. Thus we can say it is used in radar system for aircraft navigation. Second use, used in microwave oven microwave oven for cooking food, and third used in the study of atomic and molecular structure. Microwaves are used in atomic and molecular structure. Now we will discuss radio waves. Radio waves. Radio waves. These topics are very important. Radio waves are produced due to oscillating charged particles. Radio waves are produced due to oscillating charged particle. The frequency varies from 500 kilohertz to 1000 megahertz. Frequency of radio waves is 500 kilohertz to 1000 megahertz. This is the frequency of the radio waves. Now the wavelength of such waves is about 0.3 meter or above. Wavelength of radio waves is about 0.3 meter or above. Now, what is the uses of radio waves? It is used in AM. We have also discussed AM amplitude modulation. Used in AM amplitude modulation from 530 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz. It is used in ground wave propagation. Second use, it is used in TV waves. TV waves ranging from 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz. Third use in FM radio. You have already listen, frequency modulation. This is the amplitude modulation, and this one is FM, frequency modulation, and this one is amplitude modulation. Thus, we see it is used in TV waves ranging from 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz. Next use in FM, frequency modulation ranging from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. Now, fourth, UHF, ultra high frequency. UHF, ultra high frequency. UHF, ultra high frequency waves are used in cellular phones. These are the used in cellular phones. Now visual spectrum, that is video. Visual spectrum visual spectrum with your GYOR with violet or indigo. First violet or indigo, second blue, third green, fourth yellow, fifth orange, and sixth red. Now this is the color and wavelength range. This is the color and this is wavelength range. What is the wavelength range of violet or indigo? 4000 angstrom to 4005 angstrom. 4000 angstrom to 4005 angstrom. Wavelength range for the violet or indigo color and wavelength range for blue color 4500 angstrom to 5000 angstrom, and green color wavelength for the green color 5000 angstrom to 5000 angstrom to 5700 angstrom, and wavelength range for orange color, yellow color, wavelength for yellow color 5700 angstrom to 6000 angstrom. 5700 angstrom to 6000 angstrom, and what is the wavelength for orange color? 6000 angstrom to 6500 angstrom, and what is the wavelength of red color? This is 6500 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. 6500 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. These are the wavelengths of visual spectrum: V for violet, I for indigo, D for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Now can you tell me what physical quantity is same for X-rays of wavelength 10 power minus 10 meter, red light of wavelength 6800 meter, and radio waves of wavelength 500 meters? What physical quantity is the same? The answer of this question is speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light is vacuum is same for all. You know speed of light in vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Thank you.